નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી welcomes you all here. Dear student friends, we'll move ahead in the next pattern of remove to or use to. Suppose that one sentence is given. In that sentence, TO2 is used. Then we will follow the same instruction, same pattern what we have completed last time. Suppose that one sentence is given where TW2 is used plus 2 infinitive is used. It means the entire sentence is having TW2 and TO2 both together. If it is so, then what we have completed last time, that would be possible up to this extent. Then for this what we shall do? For that, these things you have to keep it in your mind. These steps you have to keep it in your mind. What's the idea? First of all, what will you do? Use a conjunction that just before infinitive, where infinitive TO2 is used, just before that you will add here conjunction that. Next to that, add a new clause. New clause. Clause means S plus V. If O is given, you will write. If it is not given, you will not write. But that should be additional one to the main. Add a new clause with the help of given infinitive. What infinitive is given here? 2 plus. That only will be the V form. And use the tense. Now, which V form we have to use? Which tense we have to use? That tense, use the tense according to given tense in the first clause. If present tense is given, you will use can. If past tense is given, you will use could. If future is given, you will use will or would. Plus V as it is. That V is equal to given infinitive. That will be as it is without any change. Bas. One thing you will keep it in your mind. What's that? If the main clause is in positive sense, up to this. If it is in positive sense, what you will add here, that will be negative. If you will add it here, new clause, that will be negative. Why is it so? Because given main clause is positive. Next to that, if given main clause is negative, what you will add here, that will be positive. The same thing is written here. If the main clause is in positive sense, new added clause would be in negative sense. And if the main clause is in negative sense, the new added clause would be in positive sense. These things you have to keep it in your mind. 3 steps. In short, I'll tell. Use conjunction that. Next to that, add a new clause. That new clause should be according to the tense of the main clause. Third one, if main clause is in positive sense, next to that clause, adding new clause would be negative. If it is negative, what you will add, that will be positive. This is the 3 main steps, 3. If you follow it, you would be able to move ahead. TW2 plus 2. 2 is equal to infinitive. Got the idea? I'll give you 3 to 5 seconds extra time to have a screenshot and write down the same rules and regulations, so that would be easy for you to understand and to practice your sentences for the transformation. Okay, have a glance Write down it, and then afterwards we'll move ahead with the transformation of the sentences. We'll move ahead with the examples where TW2 is given plus TO2 is given. TO2 is equal to infinitive is given. What shall we do in this condition? First example is there. Mira is not too happy. We will break it from here. For our understanding only you will make it. Okay. Mira is not too happy. Next to that is infinitive, to invite all her friends in corona condition. Given this statement is in negative sense, so that this main clause, if it is in negative sense, what we will add here, that will be in positive sense. Here TW2 will be replaced with, so simple, what we have completed earlier. Same thing is there. Next to that, conjunction also we have used here. Mira is not too happy. Suppose that this much sentence is there, then what shall we write? Mira is not so happy. Bas. That's all. Here we are having to invite. To invite, where we have to add a new clause. A new clause should be according to S plus V. We are talking about Mira. Mira is equal to she. Is not is equal to can. Last time only I told it to you. If it is positive sense, this will be negative. If it is negative, this will be positive. But we have to follow the tense structure, that is confirmed. That is compulsory for all. So that what is the total target sentence? Mira is not so happy that she can invite all her friends in corona condition. She can invite all her friends in corona condition, but she is not so happy. Why is it so? Corona condition. This thing you will keep it in your mind. Forever, forever, forever. Why is it so? It's very simple. Very simple. Positive to negative, negative to positive. Which tense is given, according to that only you will add a new clause. And a new clause, what you are adding, that would be S plus V. And S plus V is equal to Mira is equal to she. Simple idea, very simple. And with this only you have completed this sentence. Got the idea? We'll move ahead for the next one. Mira was not too proudy to accept her faults. See here, given sense once again is negative. From here we will make katka of this sentence, so that Radha was not too proudy is equal to Radha was not so proudy. What is the simple transformation? The same simple transformation we have made here from to so. Very simple. Next to that we have to add conjunction. Next to that we have to add conjunction. Same thing is here. And next to that, new one clause we will add, and that new one clause is equal to S plus V. But V should be according to the tense of the first clause is equal to was. Was is equal to simple past tense, and that simple past tense we will follow here in the form of could. So that she is equal to Radha. Radha means she could accept her faults. Radha was not so proudy that she could accept her faults. This is the right transformation of this sentence. This is the right transformation of this sentence. Now we'll move ahead with next one. Reverse condition we will make. Up till now we have what we have done? remove to we have done. Now we will move ahead with used to. What can be used to, that we will think. See here, Meera was so happy that she could not travel for a trip. Once again, Meera was not so happy that she could not travel for a trip. You see here, from here we'll make a katka. So will be converted into TW2. So is converted into 2. Next to that we have to add a conjunction. That conjunction we will remove. Next to that, she could not. This is the addition of the clause. That also we will remove. And then afterwards, what we have reserved here, that we should be converted into the infinitive. In this way, remaining part of the sentence will remain as it is, without any change. In this way, Meera was too happy. As it is, what is written here, the same thing will be here. Meera was too happy to travel for a trip. In this way, we have completed here reverse action. This is what we have completed, remove to. But this sentence is not with the remove to. This sentence is with used to. Got the idea? What I want to tell you, anything can be asked to you. It is not compulsory that you will be told to remove to only. It is not like that. It is not like that. You have to remove to, you have to learn remove to also, you have to learn use to also. And for that only this is. Very simple idea is there. Very simple idea is there. What is given just before infinitive, that you will follow with the simple instruction. Next to that you will add that, and next to that you will add a new one clause. How this new one clause would be? This new one clause would be according to, if it is positive, this will be negative. If it is negative, this will be positive. Like this, you will add it, you will make a new clause, and in this way you will move ahead with remove to. But when you will come back with used to, simple idea, these you will remove. What is used here, S plus V, that you will remove. Where V is used just before V, you will add to, and remaining part of the sentence will be connected here in this way. This is the shortcut key to move ahead from remove to and used to, both together. Got the idea? In this way, you have to be ready to transfer remove to or used to. In this way, we have completed both the process A to Z, Z to A. I'll give you 5-7 seconds. With that, you will have a snapshot, a screenshot to write down, to solve the same examples and to understand the same examples. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.